Hey there, Ron LeGrand here. Hey, I just wanted to let you know that on August the 17th, I'm doing a 3-hour presentation on how we're making money with terms today. And by the way, it's more important now than ever. As you see the market changing, I want to discuss how we're changing with the market and why what I'm teaching is ever more important than now than it was. The market is turning around, and I think it's going to turn around fast. And I want to teach you how we can take advantage of that without using your money or credit. This is being co-sponsored by Steve and Robin Love out in Southern LA. They have a local real estate group out there, and I'm working closely with them. So I know all you LA RIA members are going to want to be part of this, but I'm talking to all of our members as well. Spend 3 hours with me and let me show you what's going on in the real world out there, buying and selling houses, not junkers, not wholesaling. We're not rehabbing. We're not hiring contractors. We don't have to worry about all those things that go along with rehabbing, but we make more money and get long-term wealth. What I like about the terms business is we don't just get paid once and have to go do it again. And we can create residual income and appreciation and depreciation and debt pay down and all those great big deposits we get from the tenant buyers. It's a beautiful business. And frankly, whatever you're doing, whether you're in the business now or whether you're not, come let me show you how to build the wealth in the business, not just get a check and have to get up and go to work and do it again. I've been at this now for 40 years and I've figured it out, and I've got it so systemized, there's almost nothing for you to do. So go down to the link below and get in, and I'll see you on the 17th. And that would be 9 a.m. California time and 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. And you can figure out the other two in the middle. I'll see you there.